What's up, KJ2A Squad? It's your boy Jaden.
It's your boy King K. Okay, I can't do it. My throat hurts.
He sound like Malcolm X.
I thought it was Martin Luther King for a second.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Where at?
What is
What
it?
he say?
Now we're getting our snacks. I'm gonna go up there. We getting some free snacks. I think I'm gonna go get them free things.
You go ahead and go and I'll just pick. You want to pick this out?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Make sure you get some strawberry shortcakes.
Strawberry shortcake. Okay.
Right now, okay, I just lost. Hold up. Ooh, sorry. I just ran into somebody. Yeah.
Straight down that way, sir. Right when you see that blue and yellow umbrella, it's gonna be right next to it.
What is it?
Yes, sir. Oh, the free gift?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, right.
Listen, y'all, they handing out free stuff this Walmart.
finna go
so
get
finna
this.
See
what they handing out.
I think that spunk some weight, some.
Shut up, boy.
No,
Bro,
spunk some
I got this for some snaps.
energy
right
back
now.
into my voice. KJ. Yeah, see, I can do it now. Well, we finna get some free stuff. I don't know what it is, but we finna get some free stuff. All right, y'all.
Look, it turns out they only handing out stuff to people if they 18 plus. But on the
Look
bright
what your
side,
guy look like.
look at them. 18
I'm gonna
plus.
get this gift today. Hopefully you can't. Hopefully you don't have to
Tell
have
them he
ID.
needs to get a line.
You gotta have ID. Then I'm doomed. He's still getting the gift.
all
He's still.
snacks.
Oh yeah, the snacks.
That line up
Hopefully you don't have to look like that. Hopefully you ain't gotta have no ID. But guess what? If you ain't gotta have no ID, I look grown. So I'm finna get this gift. How you feeling?
it's a milk product. You know?
Feel like Pepe.
It's a milk product.
I think that's what we were saying.
It better be ice cream.
Well, listen, they're not putting it on no ice cream.
Yeah, it better be. Alright, y'all, we're gonna show y'all what it is when we get. We're gonna show y'all what it is when we get it. When we get it, we're gonna show y'all what it is. A tail, baby.
Guys, this
Pop it.
instantly gets to 130 degrees. It is not hot enough to burn you, but it is the exact temperature recommended for. By show of hands, how many people
It turned into
know
automatic,
someone
like,
or
song.
have fibromyalgia, arthritis,
Not bang.
sciatica? Okay,
Like, soon as you
this
get
is
it
that's what
automatically
this is
turns.
great for. Okay, guys, it's the perfect temperature for that heat
It
therapy.
automatically turned into.
Now this one, guys, this one will last you 25 minutes. For anyone didn't get, here you go, ma'am. You didn't get to hold one. There you go. Now this one is called the Sports Pack. Okay, this one does the same thing, works the same way. In fact, this one you would use for any type of joint or
That's all I
muscle
do,
pain. Does anybody
sports.
have joint pain right now? Okay, you raise your hand first, ma'am. Instant 130 degrees. Where is that?
You got
It's on your lower back.
Oh, let her get in. Go ahead.
Put it on right now.
We got these little grocery
Look.
gifts or whatnot,
Feel good.
and my favorite Oreos. And we finna go to this water park or whatnot, and we finna be lit. So we gonna hit y'all back up when we up there. Alright.
Good right now. Finna go take a dive. I could already see the waveform from over here. It's looking good and fresh. I can't
That's
wait to
lazy river, but it's still looking good.
Next.
Anyway, he swear he knew. Like, you ever heard, what is this, Hurricane Harbor again?
Yeah.
Hurricane Harbor last time we
went to Fiesta, Texas.
yeah, that one. They do. But anyway, yeah, we finna get lit.
We in this thing, we lit and we finna get ready. We finna
We
get
gonna get at y'all when we on the first ride. KJ2X.
Gotta do it.
Yes.
I can't get right to it like that because I got my glasses on. So,
Hey, check it out. I don't want to. Good. Oh,
Hey, bro, that might.
Hey, you should have go pro like that. It's one of Hey, hold on. I'm trying to catch up.
Don't worry about it.
Look how he walking.
Oh man. But I don't know why. Stop.
It's cold right now. But that's okay. Anyway,
Can we leave him?
anyway, we finna get tired.
I want to leave him.
Hey, you already know. I'm back swimming around here. Let's ride right now.
Keep talking.
We got up here pretty quick though, so well, wasn't that long, you know.
Yeah.
We finna, yeah. Anyways, y'all, so we finna get on this ride. It's gonna be lit. Me and Jaden going to y'all just look.
Bump, bitch.
Look, and I'm a.
You ugly.
I'll do ugly face. Never vlog. If they don't catch you,
Bro, we right here. We could have gone this ride or whatnot.
oh, they gonna be like, he always do that. Let me see my face. He does.
Well, all the roller coasters over there. No.
Look, anyways, y'all, we're gonna get on this ride.
Finally got the step down, y'all.
He didn't get no step down. He said the beat was too fast.
But I made up my own parts. So that's why I got
y'all.
Alright, y'all, they finna get on right here. It feels so bomb right here. Cause look at the view. We'll get them. We good? Get that out. Look, he gonna be screaming. Hold on. I'm screaming. Jemiah. Alright, y'all, it's time for us to get on now. I know if you're kind of scared, but I'm not scared. Now you are scared. Whoa. Hey, y'all can't see us. Whoa. I can't see that.
I don't think it's riding. Like to be first.
Yeah. Hey, y'all, that was lit.
That was lit, bro.
I hopped out in the middle of the ride. I hopped out in the middle of the ride.
Look, he hopped out and got back in. I was like,
Tell me why I was thinking about the same thing.
I almost flipped over the seat.
Oh, back up. Hey, y'all. That was unexpected. I didn't expect that.
Hey, them dips,
Yes, bro.
bro,
I
like,
hopped out the ride in the middle of the ride. It was
like
lit.
me and Jaden was lit the whole ride. I ain't even gonna lie.
I was gonna hop out. I was thinking about.
I was like, Jaden, don't hop out. He hopped out. The dip came. I was like, bro, what is he doing?
Whoa. All right, y'all. You think I'll get on another ride? My feet is soaked.
Now you down here.
You think I'll get on another ride?
Pasajeros individuales solamente. No hay corredores o
No, we can't go yet. They can't go.
no permiten zapatos o armas mientras se conduce la atracción. Y todas las señales de instrucción y observa la atracción
Ah, we
antes
can't.
de conducir.
Ah, that's it.
We got a friend of mine right now, so
It's about to be
we waiting on the next person to get on. I'm gonna be the one carrying the two.
As soon as this person comes, okay. I'll carry it the whole way up the steps too. Anyway, when they come down here, we're gonna get it. All right, y'all, we getting our tour right now as we speak. Thank you, Connie.
Y'all got it, y'all got it. Y'all not even strong enough to carry it. Oh, you not strong enough? No, come on.
I was gonna say, if y'all gonna help me carry it, y'all supposed to carry it like this.
Jemiah, dweeb, having a dweeb moment.
Bro, sweet.
You can't carry it?
Hey, I'm chilling. I don't care.
The wind keep blowing.
Yeah, the wind keeps.
Hey, do I keep recording?
So y'all look, I tricked them into carrying the thing. They said retarded. Look at this. This is what we finna get on right here. Something slight, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's finna be lit. Look at this line though. Hey, little did we know we had another weight. No, we tricked them into holding the tool. Oh look, and it's like a little umbrella because it's waterfall. All right, y'all, look, we up next. We up next.
Are you ready?
Let's go! Let's get it!
I want to get on this one.
I'm on this one.
All right, y'all, we finna get on right here. The what? Because I am the heaviest, you know.
And you
I am the second.
22.
You on your foot?
Yeah.
Hey!
This is a team. I don't understand how we gonna work this out.
Hey, let's get it! Yeah! Yeah!
You ready? Oh, we get it! Oh, get this!
That drop hit me.
It did, bro. It felt like a roller coaster. Bro.
I'm like,
That stuff,
That drop was hard.
look, when we went down the drop, I was like this.
Look, we went down that jump.
Hey, bro. I was not trying to look, bro. Y'all gotta come here.
Didn't that big old splash when you turned?
And try to go to Fiesta, Texas. This is San Antonio. But we finna go, tired. I don't know how, and I just rode a ride. And I'm the one tired. The ride should be the one tired. But we finna go into the wave pool.
But we might as well do this while we
We going to the wave pool, y'all.
Messed it up. Anyway, look, Jeremiah has a little flirt going on.
No, it's none of that.
My bad. Jeremiah, tell me about your little flirt.
Tell me when they look. Tell me when they look. I mean, I just get females like that. They see them.
Cap.
Oh, he part of KJ2X.
They're looking at the KJ2X squad right now. King K, how you feel about this?
I see a blueberry bush, y'all.
Oh, I see it. He's spotting out blueberry bushes while Jemiah's over here trying to flirt.
Hey, we getting
Yeah. He not gonna get none.
on this ride right now.
We in this long freaking line. Y'all see the girl with the blue back there? That's the girl Jemiah's trying to flirt with her. The one in the blue. Can I see?
We finna go. I'm gonna hold the camera. Hopefully I don't drop y'all. Y'all pray that.
Don't drop it. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
Anyways, y'all better pray I don't drop y'all. Pray your hands in the comment section right now. Jay, do you think I'm finna drop this camera?
It's gonna happen.
I honestly hope they don't.
If you do, it's gonna happen.
If he drop the camera, y'all will not see this footage.
But you won't see him because he gonna get rid of it. He gonna drop that bro.
I'm gonna
He
hold
will no longer be on his YouTube channel if he drop this camera.
I'm gonna hold y'all with all my dear mighty might. It's gonna be lit. Look at the water, yo. Are you going to go now? Go. Oh. Let's go. Hey. Hey, Swervin', let's get it. Oh, snap. Oh. Oh. Let's go. It's lit, baby. Let's get it. Woo. Oh. Oh, snap. Hold on. Oh, snap, y'all. We lit. We lit. Hold on. Huh?
So that one was wide.
Oh, here comes Jay. Who was that, Jay? The way you came down.
I think that one was boring.
It really was, though.
It wasn't that lit. I gotta use the bathroom though. I don't want to pay the pool be like a weirdo. I'm gonna go find the bathroom.
All right.
Here are your shoes.
Thank you, sir. Where Condre?
Right there.
Hey.
So anyway, y'all, we might be able to go to the Cowboys Stadium today if you don't gotta like sign up a day ahead of time or whatever.
do, y'all.
Mama said that you have to sign.
She said you might.
Right.
Alright, well I guess
Alright, we finna go meet them real quick. We'll get back with y'all when we go see them.
KJ, okay?
KJ, okay.
KJ, okay.